Aluminum louver waterproof pergola. The size is 3x 3m, 3x4, 4x4, and 6x4m, or customization. Electrically pergola has electric adjustable louver roof and electrically adjustable windscreens all around. A remote control can control. The best feature is the LED lights. And except for LED strip light and side curtains, we also have other accessories available like heater, weather sensor, sliding glass door, etc. More accessories for you to customize. It's best outdoor garden gazebos.